Hello there, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can make money online by selling fancy phone cases, okay? Fancy phone cases. This is a very lucrative business that people are not aware of. And I'm going to show you exactly how to go about making money from this business, okay? Now, selling fancy phone case is a lucrative business in all parts of the world. Yes, I said it, all parts of the world, not just in Nigeria or in Africa. In any part of the world that you reside in, you can sell and make money from fancy phone cases. Now, phone case adds more beauty to our phones, of course, and people buy them. People buy this stuff for different reasons, for the glamour, for the show off, for the personal attachment that they have with the casing. Now, this personal attachment comes from certain factors, which I will reveal to you as we proceed in this video. Now, this is a huge business opportunity for anyone looking to create a side income, another source of income. You know, just having multiple sources of income. Phone case is something that you can sell every day, and the profits that you get from selling one is more than 100%. Yes, you get over 100% profit in selling just a single phone case. Now, buying a phone case is cheap. We all know that, right? It's cheap, especially if you are buying from the manufacturers in China. I'm going to reveal everything to you, and I'm going to show you how where you can get them from. So in this video, we'll be looking at different phone cases, not just one. We're looking at the different phone cases, okay, that sell faster and how you can profit from selling these phone cases. Now, before we get started, I'd like to share something with you. You are likely to come across comments like this. This one in this red box. When you're watching this video, you might see comment like this on my comment section. Please do not contact this person. They are impersonating me. They are passing off to be me. So they're using my pictures and dropping their WhatsApp number for people to communicate them. Don't communicate with them. Don't contact them. These guys are they are fraudulent people. They are scammers. They're going to scam you of your money. When you see comments like this on YouTube, do not contact them. These ones, do not contact them. I will never drop my WhatsApp number on the comment sections on YouTube. So please avoid these people. They are fraudulent. They are scammers. Be safe out there. Now, let's get started. Now, let's go to Aliexpress first, because these are the places you're going to be buying these things from. Okay? These are the places you're going to be buying these phone cases from. This is Aliexpress. So what we're going to search for, we are not selling any kind of phone case. Take note, we are selling the ones that people are going to see, love, and buy. So we search for fancy phone case. Now let's go to fancy phone case, iPhone. Now you can search for different kind of phones, their phone cases. Okay. Now for the fancy phone case iPhone, you keep looking until you see the one that catches your fancy. Okay. This one is just 1 cent. As you can see, 1 cent. 1 cent. 1 cent. Very affordable. You can see these ones. So depending on the kind of iPhone you are looking for, you can see how cheap these things are. How very affordable. This is the Louis V that people always sell, right? This is 1 cent. These are 1 cent. 1 cent. Very cheap stuff. This is $3. $3.84. Okay. So these are fancy. So once you get here, you keep searching until you find the ones that you think people are going to love so much because of the fanciness, because of the design, because of the glamour, the beauty, the whatever. Okay. So those are the things. This is how it works. And you can see that they're very, very cheap here. They're highly subsidized. And then there's another one I'd like to introduce to you. That is something like this. This one comes with initials of people, right? Like someone whose name starts from D, like Daniel. Daniel may love this one because it has D. Okay? Daniel may love this one because it has D and it has the crown on it. This is L. Do you understand? So there are different ones. This is A. That's A there. Clearly, anyone whose name is A would love it. So this is what, B. So all the alphabets are arranged. C, D. So now, if you want to buy this kind of, excuse me, if you want to buy this kind of phone casing, you don't just buy one alphabet. You buy different alphabets in multiple, like in bulk, right? So you can buy A, 5 of A, because you want to test and see first. You buy 5 of A, but the key there is that you buy the alphabets with a very common name. D is a very common name. Daniel, different kind of people answer Daniel, Dennis, those kind of stuff. A, also C, Cynthia, Chigozie, Chidim, different kind of names, right? Sophie, Sonia, Scholastica, sophisticated, different names, different initials. So you have from A here, and then we have, excuse me, we have the Z here. So you can see, personally, my name is C, so I could get this, have my phone in it, and I'm good. And then when you come up here, you see the different phones: iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 mini, 12 or 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 13 mini, 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. So different phones and their different phone cases. Different phone and different phone cases. Okay? Now this is the price here, $1.25. In Nigeria, that's less than 1,000 naira. And then you can sell these things for as much as 3,000 naira. People are selling these things and making money every day. So imagine you importing something as beautiful as this. Now, this is not the only one. This is not the only one. There are more like this. There are actually more like this one. You see how the phone casing looks like, yeah? Beautiful stuff. So for instance, we can decide to check other ones, okay? Other ones like initial letter A to Z. You can say initial letter A to Z. Fashion phone case. Fashion phone case. Initial letter A to Z fashion phone case. These are the initial letter A to Z fashion phone cases. You can see them here. See the beauty. This one is 83 cents. This one is 71 cents. This one is $2.98, almost $3. So now this is the idea. Before you buy from these platforms, you have to research to find the best prices. Now look at this. These people are selling the same thing. Okay? The same thing. But this one is selling for $2.98. While this one is selling for 71 cents and this one is selling for 83 cents. But when you see these prices, always look further to investigate more. This one offers free shipping. This one, shipping. This is shipping, right? You can see the shipping here, 67 cents. This one, 67 cents. Okay? So you have to take note of all these things to see how you can save more costs, how you can save more money and get them at the best prices. So when you do the calculation and see whichever one that works best for you, that's the person you're going to be buying from. These are white, nice looking designs. This is A, this is J. Fanciful designs. Fanciful designs, okay? Importing these things are not expensive because phone cases are not heavy. You know what makes importation expensive is when you are buying heavy loaded stuff, heavy stuff, because they charge you based on the weight, based on the kg, based on the weight of the item you are buying. But if you are buying an item that the price is affordable, the weight is going to be okay. So this is something you bear in mind. Always bear the weight in mind. Why it is cheaper and easier to import a phone casing is because it has light weight. And so the cost of shipping or the freight, the cost of importing them into Nigeria or into your country is way less cheaper. Okay? And then for Aliexpress, you have the option of buying from the platform, and then they are going to ship it to you. If you're buying from Alibaba, you can also use shipping agents or shipping companies. If you also want to use shipping agents in Aliexpress, that's also fine too. Okay, so you can do express shipping so that your shipping will become faster. So let's go to Alibaba and see what they have there. One thing you must note, excuse me, one thing you must note is that buying from Alibaba is cheaper than buying from AliExpress. Okay, buying from Alibaba is cheaper than buying from AliExpress, because Alibaba is where you find the manufacturers, the producers, the makers, while AliExpress is where you find the wholesalers, the distributors. Okay, so these are the differences. Excuse me. These are differences you need to put into consideration. So when you come to Alibaba, you start going over different different stuff that they have. Okay, now look at this one, fully biodegradable phone cases. This one starting from 68 cents to $1.98. Okay, they are biodegradable. Look at different cases. So now how do you sell this? Now these are for iPhones. You can also search for different phones. Okay, you search for different phones depending on the phone you want to sell for. Okay, excuse me. So you sell, excuse me, sorry. So you sell for different phones, any phone at all you want to sell for. You search for the phone maker, for the phone name, and then you search for casing, and then you find the result. Now the best way to sell this stuff is that you make people an offer. You run adverts. You sell them through Instagram. Actually, Instagram is the best possible platform, and Facebook. These are where images are appealing to people, where people look at videos and images, and then they see other people using the product and they want to use it. So when you import these products, you get your friends and your families to make videos for you. Like they're using it, they're showing it off, and it's lovely in their hand. It's beautiful. It's amazing. Other people would also love to use it. Okay, so you can sell them with an offer. When you sell them with an offer, you're going to make more money, in the sense that as you're selling the phone case, you can add something else to it. For instance, this cross bag here, this little bag that this lady is carrying here, the phone case can be inside, and then they cross it. It makes it easier to carry the things around, to carry this stuff around. Yeah, and then there's this little pack here, like a pouch, like a small box, a small wallet that can contain your cards and stuff. These things are very cheap and affordable. These things are very cheap to purchase from China. So when you get them, you sell them together with the phone case, and people will love to buy them. Okay, people will love to buy them. This is it here. So these are different ways that you can sell these things. Then you run adverts, create adverts, simple advert to your WhatsApp or to your sales page, and get people to purchase these things. These things are very lucrative and easy. All you simply need to do is do your own research. Do your own research and find out which one you are going to sell. This takes a lot of work. This is not for lazy people. You have to actually spend some time on this platform looking for the best deal, looking for the ones that has the best prices for you. Okay, very, very beautiful designs, and also work with pricing, because these things are cheap. Some people sell way lesser than some people, so don't go and jump at the high price. Find the ones that sell the same quality at a more affordable price. Buy from them, import into your country, especially if you're in Nigeria. Set up your advert, start selling them. I assure you, you're going to sell them faster if you make an offer, and then if you have a very beautiful and lovely design. If you have any question, I'll be happy to answer you. Excuse me. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, ask me your questions. I'll be happy to attend to your questions. And share this video also with as many you know who find it helpful. You can follow me on Twitter, on Instagram, and on TikTok. My name is Courage Ngele. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.